If your idea of a canary is just a yellow bird that sings, you're in for a treat. Did you know canaries aren't just yellow? They come in an array of colors, from vibrant reds to stunning whites. And get this, only male canaries sing. They belt out tunes to attract mates and mark their territory. Canaries were once used in coal mines to detect toxic gases. If the canary stopped singing, miners knew to get out fast. These little feathered friends can even learn to mimic sounds and songs if you play them often enough. So if you have a favorite tune, your canary might just sing it back to you. So next time you see a canary, remember, there's a lot more to these birds than meets the eye. Like, subscribe and share for more fascinating bird facts.